Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a single use link for your meetings in Calendly. This is super easy to do. So you want to go in and find a meeting that you have, or if you don't have a meeting, you can create a meeting right here. And yeah, just go through this simple process to create a meeting. Or, if you have meetings existing, you can even clone or copy a meeting and you can click the three dots here and you can basically duplicate the meeting and go through the process. But let's say I want to single use meeting for this one-on-one meeting here. I can look towards the right and I'll find these options, and here is a single use, create a single use. And here you can see right here that it's going to pop up and give me the option to, like, let's say, go through the steps to fill in this and create it, right? So here you see it shows create and copy link, and so you can quickly modify it if you want, even change the name for whatever. So let's say I can say one-on-one meeting with Drew, and I can say this one is going to be 1 hour. And from here now you can just basically choose the option here for the meeting, so that's going to be 60 minutes. And let's say that's all that you want, and let's say this is not going to be in this specific location, but it's going to be, for example, online. You can go ahead and you can close that, and you can choose whether Zoom or it's going to be, for example, Google Meet or Teams. You can choose that. Once you're ready, just click on create and copy link, and so you'll have this one-time link that you can use for the specific meeting. And as you can see, the link is copied, so you can share that. I'm going to open up a new tab, paste that link, and you can see what that page is going to look like when you share that link with a person. And that's it. That's how you easily create or copy a one-time link for a meeting in Calendly.